White-tailed deer here in Canada have tested positive for COVID-19, and there is concern over this. American researchers have evidence that transmission is explosive in this particular animal population and fear it could hamper efforts to eliminate the virus.
We were dumbfounded when we saw the level of transmission in deer.
COVID-19 spreads like wildfire in the white-tailed deer population. That's according to a study out of Iowa. During the late winter surge, veterinarians from Penn State University discovered 80% of deer that were tested were infected. At that time, the virus was 100 times more prevalent in the animals than residents. Veterinary microbiologist Vivek Kapoor co-led the study.
And that's what really stunned us. And so as soon as we found that information out, we were very keen on confirming that this was indeed the case, and then trying to communicate it to as many people as possible.
The fear is the white-tailed deer could become what's known as a reservoir, meaning the animals carry the coronavirus indefinitely and keep passing it back to humans, dashing any hopes of eliminating or eradicating the virus.
So how might one control this? And the answer is it's not possible. The best we can do is to now monitor the situation.
Is there concern that if the virus is continually spreading between deer, could mutations come from that and be passed back to humans?
Indeed, that is the primary concern, and that is the concern when you've got multiple host species or reservoirs, that the trajectories of evolution of these viruses become very unpredictable.
Here in Canada, beefed-up surveillance is now underway to understand how widespread the problem is, and we should have more data on the latest discovery in the coming months or even weeks. The white-tailed deer is found in North America, Central America, and in parts of South America. In the U.S. alone, the population is estimated at 30 million.
There's been no disease that I'm aware of that's been eliminated once it's in the wildlife. It's unclear now how we might ever get rid of it, but it's very clear that we're going to have to live with it for a very long time.
Now, the 3 positive cases here in Canada were discovered in free-ranging deer from Quebec, and they're the first wildlife in our country known to have the virus. Shauna Hunt, City News.